Now, this is something that I do personally. Not a lot of DJs do this, but I find this feature really, really important, especially if you are running out of a track or if you just want to have do a nice long mix and you want a nice clean bit of section of the track just to mix with. What I'll do, two things. I will set this loop by hitting memory. If you can see on this side panel here, it's come up with all the rest of the cue markers along the track. So just as a side note, guys, you are only allowed 10 cue points, 10 markers on a track, per track. And an additional tip is the more markers you have, the longer it takes to load a track. It's not that long, but it does take slightly longer. So what I'm going to do here is I can see that a loop's been set here. I'm going to press on this loop. It's going to turn red. It's gone from orange to red. What this means is that when it comes up to this section in the track, it's going to automatically activate this loop, like so. You can see it's gone orange, it's on loop. Now this will go permanently. I didn't have to touch anything anywhere.